It's been quite a long time since I did a video like this. This is an OBD reader, professional model known as the ANCEL V5BT. Has a built-in kickstand that you can rest it up on anything. It has a SDXC card slot. You can record video and you could basically take pictures of the images and more. I'm going to be running a test, plug this into the module, and see what quick diagnostics I have on the fifth generation CRV. As this test is running, it's going to take a few minutes. As you can see, it doesn't take a snap of a second like other ones. It takes a few seconds. So sit back, enjoy the show. When it's all over, I'm going to give you a conclusion. We're in a different car. We're going to check the diagnostics of it, so we have to get into the car. It's a Asia model. It's a Honda. Going to do a vehicle auto scan. Model's a CRV 2017. It automatically found it. Click OK. Basically USA. Do a quick test and wait. Click OK. Comes back with all OK while the engine's running. ECU's got 5, DTC is 0. You can see it's at 11%. It did the PGM-FI, the ABS, the EPS, the immobile, the AT, the SRS, the body electrical. Over here it's got information of a little car communicating. It's a Honda V16.44 if that means anything to you. I'll test this over, so let's view the DTC. So we have the PGMFI, AT, ABS, SRS, EPS body, the mobile gauges, keyless entry, the SHAWD, apted to cruise control, the CAN getaway, rail time, and driving support. We're going to look at the hot functions for this car. We have oil reset, ABS bleeding, battery, DPF, EPP, and so forth, SRS. Throttle, immobilize the keys, the automatic T settings, the gear, the suspension, the doors, the windows, the seat settings. So we look at the seat settings and connecting to the ECU and the adjustments. We have SWS installation and failure control unit check. Do not rely on the results of the failure control unit check. Confirm the results each system and run the old DTC checks. So it looks good, everything's fine. It's been quite a long time since I made a video about the 5th generation CRV. This is known as the ANCEL V5BT. And what we're going to do is say, hey, thank you very much for viewing. This car doesn't have any troubles whatsoever. The machine says we're good to go. Now, if you're lazy like some people out there, you don't want to go through your radio controls to reset your oil, your brakes, and whatnot, you can sit down with this machine and reset it wirelessly. You don't have to hit all those buttons. You just go reset the brake fluid, reset your headlights, and more. So this will find any type of code in your car. I can't show you it all. This was just a quick presentation of what this model can do. Thank you for viewing, and check out the link below if you're interested.